Section 8. Rights and Responsibilities. You have the right to an evaluation to see if you are eligible to receive services from MRS. You have the right to be notified of your eligibility status. Are you eligible or not eligible in writing? You have the right to make informed choices about your IPE. You have the right to have an annual review of your plan to see if any changes are needed and to be notified if there will be a delay in services or if MRS cannot provide services to you. You have the right to appeal any Bureau action regarding your rehabilitation program if you disagree with an MRS decision. You have the right to have someone assist you in the appeal process. For example, your parent, advocate, a friend, etc. You have the right to review information in your case file if your request is made in writing. However, there are two cases when more than your written request will be required for release of information. Information that has been provided by other agencies may be released only with their permission, and certain information, such as technical, medical, or psychological reports, may have to be provided through a health professional or other representative. Along with your rights come responsibilities. Your responsibilities include providing information needed to determine your eligibility to assist in the development of your IPE. You are responsible to be an active partner in your vocational rehabilitation process. You will be expected to participate and make informed choices throughout your program. You are also responsible to use other community services and benefits in your IPE when they are available. You're responsible to participate financially in your vocational rehabilitation plan to the best of your ability, and if you wish to attend college or vocational training, you must apply for and use financial aid. Your responsibilities also include maintaining contact with your MRS counselor and to notify them of any change in your address and telephone number. You are responsible for fully cooperating with your MRS counselor. Failure to cooperate with your counselor or service provider listed in your plan is a common reason for MRS closing your case. You are responsible to keep and arrive on time for scheduled appointments and meetings. When you are unable to keep your appointment or meeting, you are expected to call ahead and to cancel and reschedule your appointment. This is important because attendance is critical to your success. You are also responsible for reporting to your MRS counselor changes in your circumstances that could affect your ability to maintain contact with MRS or follow through with your IPE. MRS also expects you to perform satisfactorily in training or in any other activity related to your rehabilitation plan. This includes your regular attendance.
Hello, I'm Todd Miner, and I'm a site manager with Michigan Rehabilitation Services in the Traverse City office. You have the right to confidentiality and privacy. Michigan Rehabilitation Services will not release any information to another agency unless that agency is directly involved in assisting you in the rehabilitation program. MRS will not release information to agencies or people not involved in your rehabilitation program unless you give them permission in writing. MRS will release information in your case file without your written consent only if requested or permitted by federal law or regulation, received by a court order, in response to investigations for law enforcement, fraud, or in situations involving neglect, safety to protect you or others.